Hi everybody, hopefully you can see me okay. My name is Shelby Agnew. I am recording this video for our semester project. First, I just want to start off and share the situation that my class has come up with. So we have written that the situation is the teacher has the kids bring a poster of themselves within the first week of school to help everyone get to know each other. The poster includes the pictures of their family, hobbies, favorite foods, and family traditions. Students share personal experiences among themselves that include values that their families have taught them. One student brings his poster showing his two dads, and one of his classmates makes the mocking/rude comment. He says the rude comment explains that his parents taught him that having two parents of the same gender is a sin, and that he is not allowed to deal with children from this type of family. First of all, I think this is a very relevant problem that we may be facing in our future careers just because of the way society is currently defining gender and families that have rights to live as they would like to. Um, So, in my solution that I came up with, I talked about how what we want to teach the children in this situation is first that we all have differences. We do have similarities, but we all have differences as well. And that second, it's okay to have those differences. We can still be respectful and we can still be kind to those who have different likes and dislikes and beliefs. So what I wrote is that we could talk about how everyone has different opinions and beliefs, and we don't necessarily have to agree with it, but we can still respect the other person. To do this, we could potentially use an object lesson with different flavors of ice cream or cookies and carry out a poll. You could tally who likes what flavor and examine the results and discuss the differences. This might prepare the children for the discussion about different families and different kinds of couples. Because one thing we could mention was how even though some of the students may like to eat cake over cookies, that doesn't mean that eating cake is wrong or that eating cookies is wrong. It's completely up to you. And while we may have different beliefs, we can still be respectful of those who think differently. Maybe the teacher could also discuss how they like spinach or something that not everybody usually likes. Um, so that would be my suggestion. I think it would also be really good to get a lot of student involvement in this, have them uh, come up with the responses for the survey and also have them discuss and talk to their classmates about it. Have them ask, why do you like ice cream? Why do you like cookies? Why do you like this flavor or not this flavor? That may really get the discussion going and also encourage them to reply with respect and be like, that's okay, you like this and I like this, and that's okay. And this may be a good way to get this discussion started and this respect of other cultures and other perspectives going in our classroom so we can start that community of respect right away. So thanks for everyone's thoughts. I think this is a great project. Thanks for everything. Um, yeah, that's it. That's all I have.